Hello, my loves. Hello. Gabrielle Reyes here. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan. And today, my loves, we are cooking up a recipe that is flavor-tastic, rainbow-tacular, and incredibly nourishing to your spirit and your soul. Y'all, check it out. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Bake it up, you know it's a winner. Every single bite of this recipe, y'all, is incredibly delicious. It's easy to make. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some dinner. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Bake it up, you know it's a winner. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Each and every bite is a thriller. Recipe that's simple and quicker. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. So, my loves, to get this recipe started, what you're gonna need to do is grab all of your chopped up vegetables. What I have right here, I got some sweet potato. What I've done is I've cubed them up into nice little bite-sized morsels. And look at this big bowl I got right here. Check it out, y'all. This is the biggest bowl I ever could find. So I have my chopped up red onions. Into my bowl they go, and y'all, the colors, they keep on coming. We are going full rainbow with this recipe. So I have some bell peppers. Y'all know I love using bell peppers. Crunchy. A little bit of sweet. I just love the color. I love how they pop, especially in this recipe. Check out what I got right here. I have some chopped up cauliflower. I'm leaving the pieces pretty big because I want these to be like the meaty part of the recipe. You know what I'm saying? In they go. Oh, y'all know I love zucchini, right? I love using it because not only is it really good to replace any like carb, zoodle situation, but I love, number one, get your greens in, you know what I'm saying? And you can cut it into any kind of shape that you like. So in goes 1 cup of our chopped up zucchini into beautiful, fancy slices, if I might say so myself. Corn and some black beans. Let us add in a cup of corn, and then we're also gonna add in a cup of some cooked black beans into your bowl. Ooh, look what we have here, my loves. We have some chopped up rainbow tomatoes. I love rainbow tomatoes, y'all, because obviously, if you can't tell, I love eating the rainbow. Every single color adds in more nutrients, more vitamins, more minerals, more things that you need to know about to help your body and spirit feel incredible. That's why I love making dishes like this, because not only is it all vegetables, y'all, but it's gonna taste fabulous because we're gonna add in that seasoning and that spice. And then you can also put this recipe on top of quinoa or pasta or rice, or just eat it by itself. Or you could even put it into a taco if you're really feeling it, my loves. Let's work on our butter rub, okay? Grab yourself another bowl. This is gonna be the easiest way to make this. And what I have here is I actually have some vegan butter. I have some minced up garlic, 1.5 tablespoons. And then I have 4 to 6 tablespoons of fajita seasoning of your choice. You can use whatever you got. This right here is honestly a mixture of tahini, chili seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, oregano, you'll know how it is, salt and pepper to taste. And we're gonna add that into our rub. Ooh, look at all that seasoning in there, y'all. And then we're gonna also add in that minced up garlic. Straight into your bowl she goes. All right, y'all. Y'all know I gotta add in a little bit of sweetness. Y'all know I love my maple syrup. So I'm gonna be adding in 1 tablespoon just to balance out any of that heat that's in there as well. So in she goes, 1 tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, but that's okay and that's all right, my loves. Y'all know I love to add in a little bit of freshness into every single one of my meals. Well, this is no exception when it comes to making nice, buttery, fresh rubs, right? So we're gonna be adding in some minced up cilantro to this. I would add in about 1/2 cup. All minced tiny pieces. Y'all know what time it is. Whisk it up, whisk it up. Whisk it up. All right, we have whisked up our buttery, thick sauce, y'all. And Ooh, I can already smell that fajita fabulousness that we all know and love. We have our Southwestern butter rub. We have our veggies poured on in. Everywhere it goes, it's gonna glow. I shake it, shake, shake, I shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner, each and every bite is a winner. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Y'all check it out. I have a silicone mat, okay? And she's gonna cover up my baking dish right here. And I'm just gonna pour in my wonderful fajita seasoned veggies. Get it nice and flat. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Look at all that color. Ooh, make sure it is spread out flat. I like to spread the cauliflower pieces throughout the whole pan because those are some of the pieces that are gonna take the longest to bake down. But what I found with this recipe is you want to make sure that everything cooks and bakes at 425 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are nice and soft. That's what you gotta do. Look at this! Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Bake it up, you know it's a winner. Y'all, it is time to bake up our Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner, and then it's time to feast as well, my loves. Y'all, check it out. We have our veggies all baked on up, and now all I gotta do is get myself some quinoa, and y'all, then we get to feast today, okay? Let's dig on in. So I have a nice big bowl of quinoa, and then let me get my Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Get that over there. Ooh, I really want these big pieces of cauliflower. That's what I'm looking at. I have my quinoa with my Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. And now, y'all, all we gotta do is add on all of those fresh elements. I have some lime crema, which is incredibly easy to make. All you need is some vegan mayonnaise. I love using Follow Your Heart soy-free veganese. And then you need some lime juice, a little bit of plant-based milk, as well as some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and a splash of pepper. That's all you need, y'all. And then you got yourself a lime crema. Spritz on across. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more in the front. Yes. Lime crema, lime crema. And you see right there is gonna go all of our avocado slices. Add her right there into her special little spot where she's supposed to go. Look at that, doesn't that look like a full meal? It's coming together, y'all. Ooh, cilantro, cilantro, oh, oh, oh. Beautiful. Oh! Y'all, check it out. We have our Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Each and every bite is a thriller. So let's dig in and get that bite, my loves. Oh, I cannot wait to eat, y'all. The final result, it's time to dig on in. Yes. That's all I have to say, just yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. It has everything I love. The heartiness, you can tell it's protein packed, it's filling, it's fresh, it's fabulous, it's fun. I don't know if y'all was eating what I was eating, but this is pretty freaking fabulous and it's so incredibly delicious. Y'all saw how simple and easy it is to make this one pan sheet pan Southwestern feast, y'all. Come on now. Southwestern Sheet Pan Dinner. Each and every bite is a thriller. My loves, I had such an incredible time cooking, singing, vibing, creating a rainbow-tastic, flavor-tacular recipe with you all today. My loves, you can find all of these incredible recipes online in my cookbook as well at onegreatvegan.com. I also posted this recipe on my Instagram and I'm gonna be posting it on my YouTube as well. Y'all know I'm just gonna be posting it everywhere, okay? Don't act like you don't know where it's gonna glow. It's gonna glow everywhere, my loves. And I cannot wait to see y'all back in my kitchen, singing your song, doing your dance, and speaking your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye.